Hi, I'm Alexa Langdale and I'm a Marketing Communications Manager, and I've been working at Dana for 3 years. What I enjoy most about my role is meeting people from different ethnicities, different backgrounds, different skill sets, and how we all come together and bring our best to Dana in order to deliver for our customers and our people. So to me, what we stand for means that we're sticking up for our colleagues. If we see something that's not right, we speak up and we say something about it. It's also about including them in everything we do, whether or not we have events at work or we're out and about or we're working on a project. It's about including everyone and involving them in that whole project, but it's also about looking out for people's well-being. So, in an office environment, we've got lots going on, multiple pressures, multiple deadlines to meet, and it can cause a lot of stress and anxiety. So it's just about asking your colleague, are you okay? And listening to them if they need, an ear or a helping hand. To me, diversity in the business is important. I think in New Zealand we live in a multicultural environment, and to me it's important that the business reflects the communities that we work in.